Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But then Bomkosi, finally the Pride Walk took place. The Rainbow community, they were definitely enjoying themselves and they were looking cute, Nkosiami, with their outfits. And do you remember before this Pride happened, it kind of looked like there was some chaos happening with the locations because they ended up having two Pride. The other one was at Johannesburg, Zoo Lake, and then the other one was on the street of Johannesburg. And it looks like both prides, it was fully supported, and people came in numbers. I guess not Dominic Batsarabomkosi wearing a Zulu attire. Not Dominic choosing a Zulu attire to wear during a Pride walk. But because I mean, what do you mean? Now I'm starting to wonder what is Gizem Kuno saying after he has seen this video, because a month ago, Batarabomkosi, a whole drama happened on the social media platform when two gay men got married wearing the Zulu attire. Ngizwe Mkhunu went blasting Batarabomkosi and he was commenting angry, saying that what that man did was actually wrong because that attire represents Ubukosi. Well, I don't know much about the Zulu culture and their attire, but that is what Ngizwe Mkhunu said. And then it went as far as him organizing a whole ibuto going around boycotting the gay people and also defending their Zulu attire. Was while he was trying to stand on his word. And then Dominic made an appearance wearing the Zulu attire. Now I am seriously wondering on why did Dominic choose to wear that outfit. Is because he is Zulu, or it is something that we do not know, but Diana he knows. Please do leave your comments down below. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, John, my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.